To connect your JBL Tune 720 with the iPhone, first we need to grab our headset and focus on the right ear cap. That way you'll be able to find different buttons that you can use to navigate throughout your device, and there's a power button right here. Now we need to click and hold it until it says that we're in the pairing mode. And your device needs to be also powered off to enter that pairing mode. So if it just powered off, do the same thing and hold it again until it says that you're in the pairing mode. Now we can move to our iPhone. Right here, swipe down from top of the screen and select the Bluetooth settings. Go for it like that, and then on the bottom in other devices, we should be able to find our JBL Tune 720. Click on it. And now it's connected with our app, with our iPhone, I mean. If we decide to download JBL Headphones app on our iPhone, you can find it in the App Store. You can open it and then customize a settings for your JBL Tune 720. It should open in a second right here, and you can adjust them however you like.